Guys, have you ever wondered how your daily routine, your stress level, and especially the food you eat affect your blood sugar? So kung ikaw ay parang medyo health buff or health conscious kagaya ko, I'm sharing to you yung CGM na ginagamit ko or a continuous glucose monitoring device. Okay. Jomak, para saan ba yan? Hindi naman siya prescribed sa akin. I just want to track my blood sugar, kung paano siya nagfa-fluctuate, no? Taas baba, based on my daily activities. So this first video will be most likely how to set it up, and then I will make succeeding videos discussing things about it, things I've learned. No, of course, I'm not parang sobrang perfect naman with these things. It's more of for people lang na are conscious about their blood sugar. They want to track it, and they are looking for solutions. So what I'm using now is actually the Otay. It's from Shopee. It's relatively cheap. Siguro less than 3,500 a month. Sorry talsik lang ako pa. But anyways, I'm going to show you paano ko siya i-set up. And then for the other videos ng series na to, I will discuss more details about it. So that's it. If you want these types of videos, tech, business, day in the life, being health conscious, follow for more because I have a goal to upload 100 videos na sunod-sunod. Tayo natin yung sensor. Papakita ko siya sa inyo. Pero bago yan, i-ready lang natin yung tawag dito. Ayan, so ayan siya, may instruction naman. Self-explanatory naman, you twist it, tapos i-deal mo lang dun sa area, tapos when you press, automatic na siya mag-a-apply. May maliit na needle to install the sensor. So ayan, manual, kung gusto nyo basahin. Hindi ko na babasahin yan guys, hindi to tutorial. More of day in the life. So open lang natin to. Ayan, para siya itlog eh. Parang, ayun para siya itlog na, or capsule. Ito yung itsura niya. May anti-humidity dyan. Desiccant yata ang tawag doon. Tapos this is the sensor itself. So, alcohol lang tayo. Meeting mo na pala. Yung meeting si wife, voice over ko na lang to. Pero ganyan yung itsura niya. So, twist mo lang to. Ayan. Tapos, andyan na yan, yung needle niya. Okay. Ito naman, alcohol. Wipes. So, I will be applying it on my non-dominant back of the bicep. So, non-dominant na tricep. Dito ko siya lalagay. Actually, hindi man siya masyadong mararamdaman. Maano lang yung na to. Very sharp naman yung needle, so hindi siya sumasabit. Okay. So, ito yung papakita ko lang, no? Wala siya nakakatakot kasi may needle siya. Pero don't worry, okay? This will not hurt a lot. Konti lang, konting discomfort. Tapos ito yung pang-press. So yan, tatanggalin mo lang to. And then you position it sa saan mo ilalagay. So may may orientation yan kung saan mo gusto yung malaking part. So ako gusto ko medyo taas ang sensor sa aking arm. So ganyan. Tapos yung relax yung tricep. Okay? Tapos diin mo lang sa paglalagyan, sa may laman na part ng arm mo. And then you press it. Yun. Actually, hindi ko halos maramdaman. So, hindi naman siya... Siguro sa first application mo na to, more on nakakagulat lang. Tapos may konting pain kasi needle siya, syempre. Pero that's it. Now, yung next is we will be... this is how it looks. I-zoom in ko na lang siguro while editing this video. Yan. Tapos, we make sure to secure it para hindi siya malaglag. Actually, maganda siguro.
Hi.
Stand ko muna sa app. Connect sa display.
Okay.
Bluetooth connecting. Sensor is nearby. Nagka-calibrate siya for half an hour. Tapos, ibigay niya sa yung accurate reading. So, just ignore the reading for the first 30 minutes.
this is how it goes. You just need to get this one. Once ka lang naman mag-a-apply na to, guys. Okay? Tapos ikot mo lang siya dyan. By the way, the needle is here. Naiiwan dito. So, walang needle na naiiwan sa tricep mo. And for the other variants nga, ano eh, you need to put it on your, sa chan, sa navel, sa taba-taba, no? Na part, fatty part ng chan. This one, mas gusto ko. Mas less hassle. So, okay. Alright, looks good. Ayan na siya. Secured na. That's it. I will be giving you my sugar reading later. I actually had just coffee lang. Black coffee. I haven't eaten anything yet. But last night, I ate a lot. Including some brownies. Pasaway. This is a reminder for me to eat healthy. So, balikan ko kayo, ha?